Today we're talking about docking your boat into the wind. You know, sometimes it's difficult to bring your boat up alongside a dock when the wind is blowing you off the dock. Today we want to show you a simple trick that we've learned that makes that really easy. It's going to make you look like a pro. Let's get into it. All right, so as we get started here, we're going to approach the dock, idle power. We're going to set out some fenders. Go ahead and get your fenders out ahead of time. Grab you a couple dock lines, get those ready for you, especially one off of the dock side on the bow. We're going to kind of just ease in real nice and slow. Never approach a dock any faster than you want to hit it. Once we get close here, I'm just going to step up and tie off to that pile right there. Just tie myself a quick loop. When you do a little loop knot like this, it's always good to tie a safety on the end like a hitch, like that. That way it doesn't come loose on you. All right, so now we've got our dock line secured. I'm just gonna push back a little bit. If we had some wind today, the boat will be being pushed this way anyway. I'm gonna fire my engines back up, and we're gonna turn the wheel to the right and back towards the dock. Just really easy on the power. You don't have to give it a lot of RPM here. Just idling here, maybe 1,800 RPMs or so, just a little above idle. All right, nice easy touchdown there. Throw a loop over, and now we're safely home. It is so difficult to bring a boat alongside a dock when the wind is blowing you off, and you got people watching, and people are on the boat making noise and complaining, and I'm tired, I'm hungry, where's my stuff? So as a captain, you can get a little frustrated. So this hopefully helps save you some of those struggles when you're coming into a dock with high winds. Well, we appreciate you watching this video today, and we hope it was helpful to you. And if you like this video, check this one out.